Hello everyone, welcome to the Peachy Girl Cali World channel. Let's begin. This is a new channel. We're going to focus on how-to, reselling, DIY, daily life, just various things that we like to do and that other people might suggest or need help doing. So please like, comment, and subscribe. This is a new channel and we need your support. Thank you. Okay, so for today's first video, we're going to talk about Poshmark. It's a social commerce marketplace where people in the United States and Canada can buy and sell used clothing, shoes, accessories, home decor, and seasonal items. Thank you so much for listening thus far. Now let's get to the video on how to update prices on Poshmark.
Hi everybody, I have a $12 flash sale going on. And it's honestly about to end. It should have ended 2 days ago, but I extended it, so I just wanted to show you all how to change your prices back without relisting, unless that's something you want to do. So you're going to go to your closet, and you can filter by whatever you want to filter by. I'm going to filter by what's available. I'm also going to do low to high, and these are all like my sale signs. Actually, while we're here, let's go ahead and edit. Scroll down and click not for sale, click next, then click list, and that'll update, and so that'll stop cycling through my VA that's sharing, so she won't be sharing that. It'll go to the bottom of the closet. We'll do that. The 3 for $30 sale I'll leave up, but I have a couple of flash sale signs that are still up at various price points, just in case people are sorting in my closet and needed to see them. So this is the first. That item actually has damage, so that's why that's $8. These were bumped down to $10, but I think I'm going to leave them at $10. So this will be the first item that I'm editing. This is the part of the $12 sale, so you click edit, you scroll down. My little present icons before we scroll down, my little emojis, those just indicate that these items with that icon in the title are part of my 3 for $30 sale, so I'm going to leave those because it's still eligible for the 3 for $30, but I'm going to return it to its original price of $20. I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to click list, and boom, now it's back to where it needs to be. And so most of these items were between $15 and $25, so I'm just going to bump them back up. Sometimes I get sales after bumping them back up. Sometimes I don't, and they'll eventually go to a $10 sale or maybe a 4 for $30 sale or something like that, whatever I decide it to be. So again, click edit. We're going to change that. And also a way to refresh the listing would be to delete the whole thing. And if I wanted to delete a listing instead of just editing it, I would click edit, I would scroll down, I would click delete listing, then I would click yes. It's going to ask you, are you sure? I'm going to click no for this video. So that's a cloth and stone. That was really low. I'm surprised no one bought it because I saw those shirts selling for $20. So I checked the comps and that's what they were. So I'm going to continue doing this, and hopefully this is helpful for you. So remember to also, if you're running a sale, to get those signs, make sure you turn those signs off, or someone might say, oh, I saw you were having a sale, or is this offer not available anymore? And also that's up to your discretion too. I've had people contact me after a sale was done and like the prices were really low, and if it was something that I could still make a profit off of and I felt comfortable with, I said yes, you can still have it at sale price, semicolon, however, comma. If it was something that I was like, I know I can get more for it, I was just like, no, I'm sorry, that sale has ended, but I can't give you this type of discount, or I can't offer this type of shipping fee instead. So it's definitely up to you as the seller to decide how you want to price and market and sell your items. Thank you for listening. Bye.